Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color the animals from our series, Cute Pets and Farm Animals Right Around Us. Are you ready? Let's start drawing and coloring right now. First up is a French Bulldog. Originating in England and developed in France, the French Bulldog is a small breed famously recognized by its erect bat ears. They possess a muscular, sturdy body with an ideal weight of 9 to 13 kilograms, tucked into a compact and agile frame. Despite their calm appearance, these dogs are incredibly affectionate, loyal to their owners, and are natural comedians with their adorable wrinkled faces. As ideal companions, they are perfect for apartment living because they don't require too much exercise and are very easygoing. With a gentle, intelligent nature and a tendency to bark very little, the French Bulldog is a perfect piece of the puzzle, always bringing warmth and laughter to the family. The sketch is finished. Let's color it. Dark brown. Beige. Yellow. Pink. Charcoal gray. Light brown. Finally, let's add some highlights to make it stand out. Gray for the shadows and white for the highlights. Next, we will draw a pug. The pug is an ancient breed originating from China, once the prized pets of royalty in imperial palaces. They impress with their round faces, deep wrinkles, large sparkling eyes, and a small sturdy body weighing an average of 6 to 8 kilograms. Although they may look a bit pensive, pugs are true clowns with a happy, energetic personality and a huge love for food. They are affectionate dogs that always crave human companionship and have a great ability to adapt to any living space, from the countryside to the city. Easygoing, friendly, and possessing hilarious expressions, the pug is sure to be a friend who brings absolute joy and relaxation to their owner after long working hours. Now, let's color. Light yellow. Brown. Brown. Pink. Light brown. Don't forget to add shadows and highlights to make this little dog even more lively. Now, I will draw a Pomeranian. The Pomeranian, also known as the Pom, originated from the Pomerania region, part of Germany and Poland. This is a tiny, glamorous puffball with a thick double coat, a plumed tail arching over its back, and a modest weight of only 1.9 to 3.5 kilograms. Hidden behind that toy-like appearance is a bold, intelligent, and lively personality, sometimes with a touch of adorable sassiness. Belonging to the Spitz family, they have abundant energy, love to jump around, and are always highly alert to surrounding noises. With their sharp bark and absolute loyalty, the Pomeranian is not only a beautiful little friend, but also a spirited tiny guardian for your family. The sketch is finished. Let's color. Orange. beige. Dark brown. Red. Dark orange. Finally, add some highlights to make it really pop. Next, we draw a Chihuahua. The Chihuahua is the smallest dog in the world, named after the state of Chihuahua in Mexico, where they were discovered. They possess large upright ears, expressive bulging eyes, and an extremely compact body, weighing only 1.5 to 3 kilograms. Don't let their size fool you, because Chihuahuas possess extraordinary courage, confidence, and a very dynamic, brisk personality. They are especially clingy and loyal to a single owner, always wanting to be snuggled and protected in your arms. As a fascinating tiny companion, the Chihuahua brings agility, intelligence, and a big heart in the smallest form. Time to color. Orange. Beige. Dark brown. Sky blue. Pink. And add some gray for the shadows to make the dog truly stand out. And finally, a Bichon Frise. The Bichon Frise is a small breed originating from the Mediterranean, France, and Spain. They are often compared to a merry cloud thanks to their pure white, curly, and soft coat, with an ideal weight ranging from 5 to 10 kilograms. Possessing a gentle, happy, and always optimistic personality, the Bichon is an extremely intelligent dog, easy to train, and always knows how to please people. They love interacting with humans and are friendly with children and other pets, making them a perfect choice for any family. With an elegant appearance and a warm heart, a Bichon Frise will always spread positive energy and peace to your living space. Now for the coloring part. Bluish white. Let's add white mixed with a bit of blue for the fur. Light sky blue. Red. Dark gray. So today, I have finished drawing these friendly pets. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you all so much.